Okay, so like we talked about on Monday in the surfing lecture, in the 1950s and the 1960s, surfing was all the rage. And again, coming really specifically out of Southern California. And skateboarding was around this time too, but it was a very different version of what we now, I think of as skateboarding. It was more like a box-handled, four-wheeled giant roller skate with metal wheels versus what we obviously know of today. It was kind of like this crate. It was like this wooden crate that was somehow fastened to like a board, right? It had these like horrible metal wheels, made a horrible sound. It was just so. I don't even. It was like a scooter. It was like a scooter, really. Um, one day somebody basically broke off the kind of the metal handle crate part, and suddenly, the skateboard was free. It was still, uh, kind of clunky. It was a piece of wood and metal wheels. It was so clunky. Um, you know what? There's actually a great scene. No other film perfectly kind of defined this moment of the scooter skateboard breaking free to become, in a way, what the modern skateboard is than this classic scene from Back to the Future. Watch this.